Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, the process of acquiring property can seem daunting, but don't worry. Today I'm going to break it all down and show you how to turn your property dreams into reality, step by step. Let's get started. First things first, what do you want to achieve? Are you looking for a buy-to-let, a quick flip, or perhaps a long-term investment? Having a clear goal will help you determine your budget. Remember, besides the purchase price, you'll need to budget for things like stamp duty, legal fees, and of course any renovation costs if needed. Once budget, it's time to do your homework. Are you going for a residential or commercial property? Do you want something ready to move into, or are you prepared for a renovation? Location is key, so make sure you're keeping an eye on the market trends and potential for future growth. Unless you're buying with cash, you'll need to sort out your financing. A good place to start is getting a mortgage agreement in principle. This will give you a clearer idea of how much you can borrow and help you move quickly when you find the right property. Due diligence is a fancy way of saying do your homework. Before making a final decision, you'll want to arrange a survey, check legal restrictions, and hire a solicitor or conveyancer to help with the paperwork. Found the perfect property? Now it's time to make an offer. You want to ensure it's competitive but leaves room for negotiation. Work with your agent to find the best strategy. Once your offer is accepted, it's time to exchange contracts. This is the moment when everything becomes legally binding, and from here you're well on your way to picking up the keys. Congratulations, the property is now yours. Whether it's insuring your property, planning renovations, or managing tenants, make sure you've got a solid plan in place. Ready to start your property journey? Subscribe for more expert tips and leave your questions in the comments below. If you're serious about investing, contact TWMH Developments today and let us help make your property dream a reality.